So we're gonna go to the third tip. More than the tip. I don't mean to do your segment. I want to do it justice, right?
It's okay.
So now the tip. So we're gonna do the Marcus moment.
Okay.
The man, the myth, the legend himself, as always.
Appreciate you.
What you got this week?
So to expand on that, as well as what I talked about earlier about us all being each other's gurus, right now, the invest in yourself aspect, what we need to do, and last week I talked about teaching. I talked about education. And now it's all about how do we get it? Where do we know? Like when we talked about the gentrification, we talked about innocent ignorance.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now it's time for us to not be ignorant. Now it's time for us all to take action. People say they don't know where to go. So now we're offering a platform for you to go to. DMVfreeworkshop.com. 2 hours out of your day. Come talk to us. Come ask some questions. Raise your hand. Come participate. Reggie says invest in yourself. Take a lunch break. Instead of going to the, what they call them, the food trucks.
Food trucks, food court.
Yeah, going to the food court. Going shopping at your lunch break. Or after work, going out to dinner with the family. You know, go ahead and heat up them TV dinners, them budget gourmets, them hot pockets.
The Mary calendars.
Come on, them
Marie
calendars. Come on out and let's learn something together. Because we have opportunities here. We live here, we invest here. So should you. There are things that are happening in this city that we can all be a part of at all times, but we're choosing not to. We are selling out, but yet we can still gentrify and be a part of it in a positive manner. So let's do it. I'm doing it. Reggie's definitely doing it. Reggie is a gentrifier. Don't forget that. I think you heard it from Tierra here. Had it not been for the gurus, and see, this is why we don't knock them. I'm just telling you that you have gurus right here in front of you in different aspects. I'm not tooting my horn. Reggie is hitting his train horn.
Yep.
But I'm not here to toot my horn. Like Tierra tell you, had it not been for the gurus, we would have never met Tierra.
Mm-hmm.
We would have never met Walter.
Mm-hmm.
We would have never met a lot of people that we've met in this industry. However, we can expand on that at home, where we live, where we invest. So now is the time to do it. DMVfreeworkshop.com is the place to go. Register. We got a free gift for you guys. Reggie and I put together this stellar book that is amazing. You come register, you can get a copy of the book. Whoever thought we would have wrote a book.
I know, right?
That's crazy. I don't even know how we found time to write a book.
I'm actually gonna write another one. I already got the idea in my head.
Oh wow!
I got to tweak stuff.
I need to make sure I edit that.
It's a book on parenting.
And you know what? What's so crazy? You will probably be very successful at that.
I know. I don't live in that parent bubble, man.
Yeah. My man, Uncle Reg.
Yep.
So it's one of those things where it's time for us to help each other and learn from one another. DMVfreeworkshop.com. Come check it out. Register there. Hope to see you in a couple weeks.
Yep. Stay tuned. We'll be back here next week. Next week we are talking about starting your real estate business, and that all starts with lead generation.
Let's do it.
Got to do deals, start the business. I'm Reggie Riley, Marcus Thomas, Capital Invest, DMV Investment Opportunities. See you guys next week.